Live Lean Nation, on today's episode we're talking about Greek yogurt and why you're probably eating the wrong kind of this health food. Welcome to Live Lean TV. I am your host, Brad Guthrie, the #1 expert teaching you how to live lean 365 days a year. So first off, I have to say I don't eat Greek yogurt anymore. My body, it just doesn't handle dairy very well, so I stopped eating it about 2 years ago. However, if you can digest dairy, I'm sure you've heard and you probably tried Greek yogurt. It's been super marketed as a healthy and high protein alternative to regular yogurt. But what if I told you not all brands of Greek yogurt are created the same? So like most things in the food industry, food marketers, they take something pure and they recreate it to suit the taste buds of today's sugar-obsessed culture. This means different brands of Greek yogurt will have different calorie amounts, different protein amounts, different sugar amounts, different ingredients lists, and different processing techniques. So next time you pick up a jug of Greek yogurt, pay attention to these three things. Number one, the amount of protein per serving. In most cases, Greek yogurt should contain twice as much protein per serving as conventional yogurt. However, depending on that straining process that the company uses, the amount of protein per serving will vary. Always read the nutrition label when you're comparing brands, because I've seen some Greek yogurt brands containing twice as much protein as other Greek yogurt brands. And this is because some food marketers, they skip the straining process and just add thickening agents and low quality whey protein concentrates to increase the protein amount. Number two, make sure you're actually buying Greek yogurt. So Greek yogurt is made by straining the liquidy whey from the regular yogurt. This process makes it more solid and also removes some of the sugar and increases the protein content. Therefore, ingredients on Greek yogurt should read something like milk and live active cultures. So this is where you need to be careful. If the label says Greek, it doesn't necessarily mean it's Greek yogurt. Like I said earlier, some brands, they just add thickening agents and then protein to the yogurt to make it look like Greek yogurt. The good thing is you'll see these added to the ingredients list, so you'll know better. Number three, stick with unflavored and add your own healthy flavors. So unflavored Greek yogurt, I'm telling you, it doesn't taste that sweet. So instead of buying already sweetened versions where companies are adding up to 25 grams of sugar via fruit sugar concentrates, evaporated cane sugar, or artificial fake sweeteners, buy unflavored and add your own natural sweeteners like stevia or a little bit of honey or even your own fruit. And a bonus tip, frozen Greek yogurt isn't Greek yogurt. Even though the calories are similar, the overall macronutrient balance is not. Frozen Greek yogurt typically is lower in protein and higher in sugar, not good. Bottom line, Live Lean Nation, as with any food decisions, it's buyer beware. Follow these three tips the next time you're selecting your Greek yogurt. And if you're interested in seeing what I eat on a daily basis, make sure you go follow me on Instagram at Brad Guthrie, or if you haven't done so yet, go check out our second YouTube daily vlog channel, Brad Guthrie TV. We show you all of our daily meals here, so go check that out. And in the comment section, right down there, let me know what is your favorite brand of Greek yogurt. And if you like this episode, make sure you give us that big thumbs up by clicking that like button right down there. And if you're new to Live Lean TV, click subscribe, because we upload new episodes Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I want to thank you so much for watching, and keep living lean. Live Lean Nation, what if I told you that eating steak can help you build muscle, burn fat, and ultimately help you live lean? Yeah, it's